This video is to briefly explain to you what Quizalize is and how you can use it. Similar to other tools out there like quizzes, Pear Deck a little bit, but it allows you to create your own or search for things that have already been made. So after you've logged in, you can use log in with Google. It will ask you to allow Quizalize to work with your Drive and with Google because it connects to your Google Classroom as well, which is another added feature. But if you have to choose a class when you go in there, and you can create a new quiz, or you can come here to resources and you can search for things based on curriculum and standards, based on the topic, search for things all together based on keywords, or when the time comes and you have several things to look at, you can go to your library. So I have a few things here. You can upload PDFs, YouTube videos, or a web link. With what we have with Classroom, I don't think that these are, YouTube and a web link are necessarily, these aren't useful features because we have Classroom. Likewise with the PDF. But if you wanted kids to read something and then take a quiz, it's nice to have this in the same platform. So if I did create a new quiz, I would add questions. And what's really nice here for our math teachers, you can put the math mode on and it allows you to write complex equations. So that's helpful. You can use images, turn that on. Audio, which is great too, because you can upload audio. So if you had something that you want to share with the kids, if you're a language teacher and wanted to record something and upload it here, it's great. Text to speech is wonderful as well. So if you have, for our E&L students, if you had something in English here, it will actually, what is my name? It will read it for them in English.
What is my name?
Not the best, but still very helpful if kids need to hear it as well as read it. So you can create different questions, and where it's like Kahoot or quizzes, you can change the duration of the time that they see the question. Again, kind of like Google Forms, you can add an explanation. So we'll just close this. But you can go through here, add new questions, save to your library, and save and give it to your class. And you will also be able to see the student preview. So you just would come through here, ask a variety of questions, create something for them for practice. You can deliver some new stuff here if you give them something to read or something to look at, and then you're asking them a few questions based on the previous assignment. And then you're going to get the data to see how the kids are doing. The next video will show you the settings that Quizalize has for you, which is important to look at.